Alright folks, Papa Joe here. Robert picked us up some donuts this morning. Fixing to start on a new dish. And I am trying my tripod in a different way. I didn't like how it turned out last time. Although it really ain't setting very straight and level there. Wonder what, So this is still a lot of trial and error with this camera on this recording. Let me get some stuff out. I'll be back. Alright folks, we're going to try this again. I don't like the way that camera's leaning over. I wonder if I turn this some. It's still leaning. And it ain't pointed down. Hold on, let me try to adjust this. Alright, I guess that's about the best I'm going to get it. I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to really see here. It's kind of level. Alright. I was told about a new recipe this week and I'm wanting to try it. Cupcake pan. We're only going to do about a half a dozen of them for our first try. And we'll see where they goes. Canola oil spraying. Alright, what they told us. And a buddy of mine was telling me about it, and then Grandma told me she had seen it on online. Just honey ham, the real thin stuff. So, which I'm not a big fan of it because just like right here, I don't really like to peel out and peel apart and all that. It just kind of tears up on you. See there? So needless to say, this part's kind of delicate. But they were saying to put it down in there, and I'm going to kind of just work it and make it. I'm going to use a couple different pieces. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm going to put a couple different pieces down in there and try to make it lay around to the sides. First time trying it, and I ain't seen no video for it or none of that. Just a buddy of mine told me about it over the phone. And normally he don't even watch Facebook or do any of the Facebook stuff. And somehow somebody had sent him something in an email, and it was this recipe. And he thought about me when he seen it. So he, next time we was talking, he started telling me about it. So now my main thing that I'm concerned with is to make sure I have this ham up above the edges of my pan here. That's my main concern. So, and right now I'm only putting basically 2 pieces in there. It's kind of up to y'all how many you use. Now we're going to be putting an egg in here in a little bit. And my whole thing was to try to make it. Well, he's going to have to go way down in there. I don't like the way he's looking in there. Lay him aside for a moment. I bet you it's this one that's messing it up. Now let me take him out. But anyway, you put egg in here, and I don't want it where the egg is going to run down the outside of the ham into the cookie sheet. I want to keep the egg inside this ham bowl. We're creating a ham bowl. Not a ham bone, a ham bowl. Yeah, don't ask me to spell it. One more. I've got the oven preheating over there. And let's see if I can slide him up like that a little bit. Go ahead and use this guy that I laid aside from that other one. There we go. Alright, so there's the ham part. Give me a hand towel. So nothing fancy, and I don't know if it will work or not. That's what I did. I created a bowl out of the ham. Now you're supposed to put your cheese in the bottom, which I assume this is to help that ham all stick together. I just went ahead and pushed him down. He wasn't sitting down in there real good. So now don't go into shock if this doesn't work 100%. I won't go into shock, that is. And you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. It's one of them type meals. You know, you've seen the little breakfast cupcakes that we do. But that's where we do a pre-cooked meat and all that stuff. See, this one's going to create a problem simply because that ham was folding down, and I did get a little bit of cheese on the outside of it. Come on now, fold over there. So I already know that one's going to stick a little bit. Well, I'm a klutz this morning. Grandma's in there just kicking back, ignoring me today. She must have the life of Riley. Actually, she has something that we're going to try in a little bit. It was a shepherd pie ball, and she's seen it somewhere online, and we ain't made a shepherd pie in a long time. And although she's trying to watch her carbs, and them taters ain't real good on her carbs, we're a firm believer if you're dieting to go ahead and treat yourself. A lot of people call it cheating. I don't. I call it rewarding yourself. And she's lost over 20 pounds. That's something to brag about. So, reward yourself once in a while. She did reward herself this morning with a donut. But now after I leave, she's going to be jumping my butt. Tell me I made her fall off her diet. Alright, and we're going to just open this egg up and put it right in there like that. We're going to do that to all 6 of them. And that's what I was spearing. That one's running outside of my ham a little bit there. That one there is going to do the same thing, I'm afraid. So next time we go to do this, we might have to try to use a different kind of ham, or maybe it's the way I'm putting it in there, I don't know. But I'm good at that trial and error nonsense. That one, I was trying to straighten it up a little bit as I put it in there. Alright, so there's the 6 of them. I don't know how much of that you got to see, but it is what it is. I can't tilt it for you too much, but there's ham balls, cheese in the bottom. Okay. Let's see. We're going to set our timer about 15 minutes. So there's 15 minutes on the clock. I'll be with you in a little bit when I take them out. Huh, that was good timing. I just came in and the timer going off. Now I cooked that on 350 and I set the timer for 15 minutes. That is it needs a few more minutes in my opinion. But I'll tell you what, that ham is really getting done. Let's set it for 5 more minutes. It is looking like a poached egg, but it's looking like it's a little bit too runny for me. So this will make 20 minutes we've given it. I'll be back. Alright folks, I let them cook another 2 minutes. And I just eyeballed them. Turn that back on. I think they're done enough. White's still a little jiggly. Not bad. I'm going to call that done. Grandma, why don't you come give me a hand a minute? Now we're going to call the expert in here, the real professional. Yeah, right. You hear in there trying to give me sass? Okay, I'll turn you back around. How do you suggest that we get these out of this pan?
That there's a solid forky looking thing up there that's just got a split in the middle. Try that. Yeah.
This thing?
Yeah.
Think that'll work?
It's worth a try.
Yeah. See, now that one, my egg got outside of it. You know what? That's pretty loose in there. What about one of them big salad spoons or something? Something like this.
Okay.
Folks, we ain't never done it before. This is all trial and error. Aha. That didn't work too terribly bad. Now let's see what it's going to actually look like here. Now I was hoping this would be something I could take on a truck, but I don't think so. Oh yeah. Here's what you got. Now you can see it, the yellow's real jiggly. For some people that might not be done enough. The yellow's runny, so the white's a little jiggly there, nothing bad for me, I can deal with that. And the yellow's runny. That's trying to get it where you can see it. Oh, okay, there's the lens over here. I'd call that a success. So, there you go, people.
They might want to cook theirs a little longer.
Right, yeah. Now, you seen with mine, that was, first we did 15 minutes. Then I did like 2 minutes. And for me, that just cut down into 4 bite-sized pieces right there. So, I would call that a success. What about you, Grandma?
Looks good.
Alright, folks, remember, God loves you and so do I. Eat to live, don't live to eat. But if you gotta eat to live, eat good. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.